When people call in with a new truck accident, they're often really nervous about the process, they're anxious about what to expect, and fearful of the unknowns. We help step in and relieve some of that stress when we are able to talk them through the claims process, that we file everything for them, that we do the investigation for them. So when people call in with a new trucking accident and they're nervous over the process and anxious over what to expect, we start by walking them through those forms, the process, the benefits, and we help alleviate that stress for them by stepping in and taking care of all that needs to be done right away. So some of the major mistakes that should be avoided for a truck accident claim are hiring the wrong lawyer. You want to hire a trial lawyer right away. Someone that is specifically trained and experienced in big truck accident cases. Trucking accident claims are unique. There are so many more things to discover, to investigate. There are things with truck accident claims that you need to get right away, and there are things that should be done immediately to protect your rights regarding an injury claim, in addition to maybe not seeking medical care right away. That's another mistake that people in a big truck claim might do. They might be in pain, they could be sore, but they're gonna make a big deal out of it, for example. The problem with delaying treatment and not going to the doctor means that now they have an argument that there's gonna be a big gap in treatment. So even a few days can look bad because it's telling the insurance companies that in the first few days you were okay, that the pain wasn't bad enough to go have it looked at. These cases are different. These are claims with big insurance policies typically, and often with big injuries. That being said, the biggest mistakes that are made is hiring the wrong lawyer, not going for medical care right away, not documenting your pain and suffering with medical records immediately, and then not following through. The other thing I would recommend for anybody involved in a trucking accident is to garner as much information and data at the scene as possible, whether it be asking for people's names and phone numbers. That includes the driver. Ask them how many hours he was on the road that day. Take photos of the vehicles, of the scene, and of anybody who is around the scene to try to photo document everything you possibly can to collect as much evidence as possible for these very serious cases. You can reach us by phone or on the website. It's 866-NICOTRA, 866-NICOTRA.com.